you'll be a woman soon. Love you so much you can count all the ways I die for you, girl, and all they can say is he's not your kind. They never get tired of putting me down, and I'll never know when I come around what I'm gonna find. Don't let them make up your mind. Don't you know, girl, you'll be a woman soon. Please, come take my hand, girl. You'll be a woman soon, soon. You'll need a man. I've been misunderstood for all of my life, but what they're saying, girl, just cuts like a knife. The boy's no good. Well, I finally found what I'm looking for, but if they get the chance, they'll end it for sure. Sure they would. Baby, I've done all I could. It's up to you, girl. You'll be a woman soon. Please, come take my hand, girl. You'll be a woman soon, soon. You'll need a man. Ah, girl, you'll be a woman soon. Please, come take my hand, girl. You'll be a woman soon, soon. You'll need a man, oh soon. You'll need a man. Hey folks, going to be a guitar lesson for Girl, You'll Be a Woman Soon by Neil Diamond. A great track. Let's just get right into this one. I have the guitar in standard tuning. I do have a capo on the 3rd fret. So I'm playing to Neil's original recording, not the Pulp Fiction redo, which is great. But this is Neil Diamond lesson. So capo 3, if you want to play along to these chords. Of course, you can transpose the chords and not use a capo if you prefer. So we're going to start pretty straightforward. We're going to start with an E minor, girl, to an A. So it's an E minor, and then you can play open G, and then a 4th string 4th fret, G, just descending, to an A. You'll be a woman, D, to an E minor. So one more time, and this is the refrain of the chorus too. So E minor, and that little riff to an A. You'll be a D, and then you go to E minor, you start strumming. Love you so much you can count all the ways I die for you, girl, and all they can say is he's not your kind. That's a D, and then back to E minor. They never get tired of putting me down, and I'll never know when I come around. D, what I'm gonna find. Don't let them make up your mind. To a C. So your E minor to a D to a C. Make up your mind. Don't you know, girl, just like the intro, E minor, A, you'll be a D, back to E minor, hold the E minor, soon, A, come take my hand, D, E minor, A, you'll be a D, back to E minor, A, you'll need a man, D. And on the D, I'm just opening up, I guess it's a sus2, the high E, so. That's everything except the middle part, which is a C, This is instrumental. Then I'm going to go to a B7. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret. You can play it open however you like. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret. My hand is hard with the capo to do an open. Back to C. Now I'm going to play a B sus4. And you could resolve that to a B, or you could do a B7 sus4. And you could resolve to a B7 or a B. The easier way, I think, is a B sus4 to B, and then you're back to girl. A, you'll be a D, E minor, to A, come take my D. One more time. E minor, to A, you'll be a D. E minor, A, you'll need a D. And I just finished with an E minor soon. A, you'll need a man. That's it, folks. That is Girl, You'll Be a Woman Soon by Neil Diamond. Thank you so much, folks. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.